Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the new feature of Cloud, which is helping you to craft your prompt. Creating the prompt is easy. Sometimes it can be challenging if you need a high quality output for the work that you want to do. Sometimes you also need to specify a lot of details that if you are not subject matter expert, you may lose the details that you need to specify. Let me show you by a practical example how you can use this. So you have to go to the Anthropic console that if you don't have the link, I'm going to leave it on the comment section or you can search it on the Google. Uh, it should be the top result anyway. So as you can see, this is the original entry, and by clicking on generating a prompt, we can have this window which is helping us to write the prompt that we want. So let's go through one of the examples. Summarize a document. As you can see, the simple prompt is summarize documents into 10 bullet points max. By clicking on the generate prompt, we are going to see how Cloud is going to offer us a more detailed prompt. As you can see, please carefully read the following document, and then in the tags we have the document as the parameter, and then it is specifying some extra details in order to allow um, the LLM to summarize the content into the 10 bullet points. And consider also the output is really well defined, that please output your bullet point summary inside the summary tags. This is helping you to format your output. So if you want to use this as a code that you want to extract the generated output, you can have it in an easier and more rapid way. Consider that also we can edit the prompt, which is the part that I really like, that here we are having a text editor in order to include any kind of details that we want. We can also rename the prompt that we have. So let me call this summarize documents. And this is helping you a lot to track the different prompts that you are having. And as you can see, we have also the tags. This version is version 1, and we can also change the prompt and tag it with different versions, which is helping a lot when you are working with different tasks with different type of prompts. So let's give it a try. As you can see, the only variable that we have here is the document, and let me try it with a text information that we have. So the news is about the stock price of Nvidia, which has risen up after in the past weeks actually. So here I want to understand what are the top bullet points that I need to know. And here it is. We have the 10 bullet points, but for me myself, it's not enough, and I'm going to add to the prompt, including a brief summary at the beginning before any bullet points. So please include a brief summary about the document before the bullet points. There we are, and here I would like to run it again and see how the output is going to change. One thing, as you can see, here we have version 2 as we have modified the prompt. And as the output, you can see summary. The document discussed the recent surge in chip stock, particularly Nvidia. And some more details it is added, plus the key points, which is much more close to what I wanted. An additional thing is that you can get the code also for this. This can be helpful when you want to work directly with the different APIs from LLMs. So Here, as you can see, we have the Python code for generating what we exactly have seen. You can see different type of code as well. For example, Python, TypeScript, AWS Bedrock, which is really nice. So it means that you can call the Anthropic Bedrock service if you are using the Bedrock service in AWS. And yeah, also I see that there is also Vertex AI Python. So this is really nice feature. And as you can see, we can have also, the different type of prompts in the library as well. That's it. There are different parameters that you can still work with. For example, you can have system prompts, you can have assistant or extra user instructions as well. You can play with it, but I think this is really a helpful feature when we are not familiar with the domain that we would like to create the precise prompt that we want. Please give it a try and let me know how much did you like it. Thank you and see you soon.